Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Pineapple Squad. So today we actually have a review, and I received this big humongous box from PIXI. Wait, there. This humongous box from PIXI, and I wanted to review it for you guys. I did do this last year when they sent their box, and I want to do it this year as well. So this is the humongous box right here, and I don't know if I can open it and show you. Ooh. Open it up. There you go. Okay, so they did a collaboration with 3 amazing bloggers, and this is how it looks there, and then this is how it looks like in the inside, like that. This is the collaboration. It's huge, it's beautiful. I absolutely love it. I literally love PIXI. I love everything that they have. Oh, you guys know that I love my PIXI mist. And this is the card that it came with right here. It has like the products that they have in the box and everything, and yeah, this is how it looks, and I just think it's so nice. Thank you, PIXI. Thank you so much for sending me this. I feel so lucky that you guys actually know who I am, but yeah, this is so nice, so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna open it, we're gonna try out the products, and then yeah. So they collaborated with Dulce Candy and with Chloe Morello and with Wiley Hong. I think that's how you say her name. So they collaborated with all of them, and so first we're gonna try out this one, and this is the PIXI times Wiley Hong collaboration, and it looks like this. It's so pretty. And she came out with a black liner, and this is how it looks. Ooh, oh my god, look how nice and sharp. And then it's double-ended. It has this one for your waterline right here. So nice. And then she also came out with a eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. Oh yes, yes, yes. These are so nice. These are the bottom shades. All right, so I'm gonna try these out on my eyes really fast, nothing crazy, just to try it out. And let's see. It's called Fallout, so if you don't like Fallout, you might not like it, but it's actually pretty good. Color's nice. It actually does like do like a good transition color, so that's good. Really pigmented. It's really nice. I'm gonna go in this red shade right here, and I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner. I've actually been liking to do that lately. I've been liking just to put eyeshadow in my nose on like right here. So I'm gonna take that red one. Can't really see the color that much on my crease. I guess because of my skin tone. Like, you have to really blend it in. Not bad, actually. It's actually really pigmented, but I don't know. Gonna go back in with the color and just blend it out. So because I'm going to work and I don't want to do like a wing liner, I'm only gonna use this side, and let's see. Oh, it literally broke. Oh my god, it broke. Liner broke. I think I broke it. Yeah, because it's really creamy. I just broke it because I suck. But oh, it's really creamy. Look at that. Look, it just glides. Really nice. Oh, it's nice. It's really creamy. Just gonna put it. Oh yeah. You have to put a little bit of pressure, but I like it. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna try out the other side, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, so now let's try out Chloe's. This is so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna try out the Chloe Morello one. I just started following her. I love her. And this is the one she collaborated with PIXI. Looks really nice. Also, this one brings 3 highlights. These she said that you could use as eyebrow powders if you want. And then these are highlights. Oh my god, they look so good. Okay, so you guys know I love highlight. I mean blush. I love blush. You guys know that. So I'm gonna just put this one right here. The other ones might be a little too light for me. So wait, but I didn't contour. Dang, I didn't contour? I didn't have to contour? Alright, let me contour real quick. That's pretty. You guys know I love blush. It's pretty. I like it. That is nice. Okay, so I'm gonna try one of her highlights. Let's see. I feel like there might be too light for me. Yeah, her highlights are like for like light-skinned people, so I'm not gonna use them. I was gonna use them, but I'm not gonna use those. She did come out with a lip icing. This is what it is. And I'm just gonna take out the packaging. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. That is absolutely beautiful, guys. How nice. I'm gonna try it out at the end. So this is the collab that they did with Dulce Candy, and if you don't know her, I don't know where you've been, because she's like one of the first YouTubers that I ever saw, and this is the two things that she came out with, and look how amazingly beautiful it is. It's like a highlighting palette and then like a blush and lip palette. So this one you can use it as like a blush, or you could use it as a lip gloss or lipstick palette, she said. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. I love Dulce Candy, so follow her like crazy. I'm not gonna use this one today because I'm gonna swatch them, but I'm not gonna use them because I don't know, just don't feel like using them today. I'm just gonna swatch it. Oh, what? This is so pretty. Oh my god, this is gonna be amazing on my makeup kit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those colors just from here. Oh my god, this is so good. That is so good. I love it. Alright, so I'm gonna try the highlighting palette. Oh my god, these are so nice. Look how beautiful these are. And they don't have fallout, which is nice. So nice. Hold on. I have to look at this close. What the? Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so pretty, guys. I don't think I found a highlight like this before. Look how pretty. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Yeah, I love when I find good highlight. You guys know. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is so nice. This is so pretty. Like, are you kidding? Are you kidding? Wow. So nice. I really like this and this and this. Guys, I like all of them. They're so good. Congratulations to all of you guys, because you guys made amazing products. Like, I am in love. They're so pretty. I'm actually gonna finish my eyes, and I'm gonna use the brown shades in the little corner right there. So yeah, this palette right here is actually really nice because it has like everything that you'll need. It has blushes and it has like a little mirror, right? It's really small, but she put like a little mirror. And then it also has highlights, and it has these little quad in the little corner, and she said you can use this as eyebrow for your eyebrows, or you could just use it as eyeshadow, or like anything that you want to use it with. And I think it's such a good palette to like travel, because you have like 3 different things in one palette, and that's what I love about PIXI. They always do that. And I feel like the highlight settled into my skin really nicely, and it kind of just like went away a little, so I'm just gonna apply more. Oh my god, it looks so nice. You guys see that? That is great. That's just great. Love it. such a good job with highlights. So lastly, I'm gonna apply the little glitter lip gloss. It smells good too. Okay guys, so these are all the products that I wanted to review for you guys, and out of everything that I tried out, these eyeshadows are really good, really nice. I feel like they don't blend together good. I don't know, I have to keep on trying it on my eyes to let you guys know, but this is such a cute little palette. Like, you have like a whole like 2 to 3 eyeshadow types that you can make. It's like so pretty, and I really do like how it looks. I just love the compact of this. It's so cute. And then for everything else, I can't wait to keep on trying these and this. And I can't wait to try these on my clients or on myself. I'll let you guys know how I like it when I try it. I'm just not really used to this kind of things, but wow, it's really, really nice. And then I'll let you guys know about the other side of this on another video. But yeah, this is all that I had for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that this helped you. If you go to Target or order online and you wanna try it out or anything, I hope that I probably helped you make your decision. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.